Hello, today we're going to look at how to use the display of the Push 2 or 3 to VJ. Using the Max for Live software, we can send our visuals right from our favorite VJ software straight to the Ableton Push. It doesn't matter whether you choose to use VDMX or Resolum, but you'll be needing Spout for Windows and Syphon for Mac. For this video, I'll personally use VDMX and Syphon on Mac. The first step would be to open your Ableton Live software and put your Ableton Push in user mode. The second step would be to take over the screen using the Max for Live software. Before moving on, you will have to download the following packages: the imp.push package by David Butler, I'll put the link below, and of course a Syphon package or Spout if you're using Windows. Once you've installed both the imp.push and the Syphon or Spout packages, you can move on to step 3, sending visuals from your VJ software. Using VDMX, you'll have to go to the plugins and add a Syphon output. With Resolum, you'll have to pick Syphon or Spout as your output device within the advanced output settings. Also, don't forget to enable texture sharing. And the last step would be to choose the right name for your Syphon client within the Max for Live patch, which you can also download below. That's it, you're good to go. Have fun using your Ableton Push with custom display. This was VJ Vlogs. See ya!